Hi guys, welcome to Auto Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up shipping on Shopify. So the first step is to go to your setting down here and then click on shipping and delivery. Then here click on manage on the button here, and as you can see here you have two different locations. So for United States you have a specific price, for the rest of the world another one. So let's delete these two. So now you can create a brand new zone. So if you want to set up a specific price for your shipping in a country, you can select that. So I will do that. So let's do this for United States, and then click here, enter here United States, and here you need to do, you can add a rate or so add your own rate, name, shipping, and then you can enter your price. So let's say $5 for shipping in the United States. So as you can see now, what you can do is create for the rest of the world or the remaining countries, of course, and accepting the United States, and here you can set up free shipping and click on add and leave this at 0. And as you can see, you have already created a shipping on Shopify. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till the time, take care, goodbye.